Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past question number 46. And the instruction here says choose the word of group of words that best complete each of the following sentences. And the sentence here says it was a long poem, but Rashid learnt it. Dash. It was a long poem, but Rashid learnt it. Dash. Option A say from memory, B say to memory, C say by heart, D say to heart. What we have here is by heart. Then option A from memory, you cannot say from memory because he say he learnt it, so it's not saying it from his mind, so we say he learnt. So option A is out of debate, either if it is correct or not. Then to memory, no, but Rashid learned it to memory. It's not possible to learn to memory, it's not. Then option D, we say to art. It cannot be to art. Where in the art? That is questioned. It's just as if when people say I answered all the question of art. It's wrong. You can't do anything of art. It's by art. So you learnt by art, not to art, not to memory, not from memory. So it's by art. So it is wrong phraseology to say of art, of ed. There is not. So of art, of ed, of and are not English expressions. They are not English expressions. So it's by art. I answer all the questions by art. I read the poem by art. Or just as this one we have, it was a long poem, but Rashid learnt it by art. So option C is correct. So our correct option is option C. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.